especially if I get ink on that cutting edge. Make sure I have the proper cutting angle. Beautiful, there's no ink left. Do a cut test to make sure it's ready to go back to surgery. I've got a suture needle marked right on the very tip of that cutting edge, and it's slightly pulling on my tissue. Really close. I'm going to mark the area that I'm working on with my red marker. I still get some needle marks in that. You know what? I'm going to go to a heavier grit. Oh, just about got it. The heavier grit's taking just a little bit more metal off. But I need it to get that suture needle mark out of that cutting edge to maximize that scissors performance. And I see a little bit of the burr coming up, so I know I'm right on it. Oh, it's beautiful, beautiful, consistent cutting edge. That's what I like to see. So now I'll go back and use a lighter grit and get my grinding marks out of that cutting edge. Hi, I'm Brendan with Übersharp, on location at the Hagen Pet Resort and Animal Clinic, sharpening surgical scissors. These are all ready to go back to surgery. If you need your surgical scissors sharpened, call Übersharp, 941-806-8321. Chop chop.